Cancer Holistic Guidance, Part 42. Dr. Dilip Gadgil, Pune. So, I was talking about how if we don't control our dietary habits, the use of medicines alone isn't justified or effective. People believe that the results will be delivered by medicines, but that is not the truth. The allopathy evolution timeline has a major role to play here. In 1935, pharmacy members were incorporated into the MBBS syllabus committee in the United States. Ever since that happened, research has been driven by pharma companies. They started proving that the results of drugs and medicines were excellent. Whether it is thyroid, blood pressure, or diabetes, getting results from medicines was the only objective behind it. This trend is still visible today. Identifying and addressing the root cause of any disease should be our first step. But the pharma industry created an atmosphere that convinced people that there was no real need to look for the causes. As long as you keep taking medicines, your vital levels can be brought under control. This is a bizarre problem that we face today. People have forgotten that paying attention to the diet was the key to resolving diseases in old times. Whenever we had a fever, we stuck to light meals, relied on fluid-based foods like soups, tea, and coffee, and drank boiled water. Taking rest was also an important part of the routine, which would enable the body's agni to become strong and digest these foods. Within 2 to 3 days, the fever would automatically go away. But ever since the wave of antibiotics came and it was established that it can destroy microorganisms, people started getting used to the concept of instant relief. Diseases like typhoid, which would linger on for 21 days, could now be tackled within 3 to 4 days. People thought that since it was the microorganisms that led to most illnesses, killing them to resolve the situation was the right approach. Eating habits and rest were rendered insignificant for recovery. However, this is just half the truth. It is true that allopathy has been successful in controlling infectious diseases, but that doesn't show you the complete picture. The reality is that the microorganisms' immunity against these diseases started improving and our immune systems kept getting weaker, which led to the situation we are facing today.